how to find Instagram live videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to find Instagram live videos. So for that, make sure that the application is completely up to date. If not, head over to your Play Store and update the application. Once it is updated, click the open button and then log in into your account. So basically, when you actually go and log in into your Snapchat account, then you should be able to get notified when a user is actually live. All you have to do is just press on the notification or just press on the icon locator right on top. Here you can see these are the icon. But then if somebody is actually live, then you'll be able to see live under it, and just click on it and then you'll be able to access the live video on Instagram. So currently I don't happen to have right over here, and if you're also going through the same stage, then what you can do is, first of all, going to use the search bar tool feature, and then you can just go ahead and type in live videos. Maybe you can just go ahead and select the topic that's related to your content. Accordingly, you can go ahead and look for the videos that's actually live. Let me just go ahead and select a random video, and if you see live just right over here, then you should be able to see your live video. So that's how you can find Instagram live videos, and apart from it, there's no such other way to locate it. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.